Hello, students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter. The name of our chapter is Padmini, chapter 6. We are going to discuss module 1. Before moving on to the chapter, let's see what are we going to learn in today's class. We are going to comprehend a simple narrative about a wonderful story. To appreciate a story from a child perspective, you are going to enrich your English vocabulary and to become aware of the hurt caused by man to animals. Now, let me ask a few questions which will help you to check the perspective of view about the story. What is your idea of a forest? Who live in a forest? Would you like to live near a forest? If yes, why? If no, why? Dear students, check your answers. Now think about an answer. What do you feel about this one? Can you give me some names or list of some animals that lives in the forest? And also, you have to find or think about an answer for these two questions. Do we care enough for creatures in the wild to protect them? What can you do as a student to preserve the environment? I hope everyone got an answer for this question. We will have a discussion in our classroom. Now let's begin the chapter Padmini on your page number 64. Page number 64. Let's read the introduction of the story. This story is about a boy. His grandmother Amma lives alone near a forest. One day, she finds a wild elephant that is badly hurt. Amma wants to take care of the elephant. The boy's father finds a vet, Manoj, who agrees to help her. In the introduction of the story, we come to understand that this story is narrated by a boy, and in the story we are going to read about the friendship between his grandmother and an elephant who is really hurt. Okay, so let's see what happened to the elephant and how do the grandmom treat that elephant. To my delight, father and Manoj uncle took me along to Amma's house. Amma, tell me what happened to the elephant, said Manoj uncle. Amma said, I think she was caught and held in ropes and chain while the rest of the herd escaped. She was able to free herself with great difficulty. The wounds are giving her a lot of pain. She cannot eat or drink properly, and so she is weak. I give her sugar cane and a little water, but she is too frightened to eat or drink. As soon as the wounds heal, I am sure she will return to the forest. So here we can see that in the beginning of the story, the boy tells that he is very happy because his father and Manoj uncle agreed to take him to their Amma's house. Now, when they got there, the doctor, Manoj uncle, is asking what happened to the elephant, and grandmother is giving the reply like that. Maybe grandma think that this elephant was caught in ropes and chain, and the other group of elephant escaped from there, but she struggled herself with great difficulty in order to get free of the chains and rope. During that struggle, she was hurted, and she cannot eat or drink properly because of the pain, hence she is very weak. Grandma also think that when she got heal of the wound, she will be good in health and she will be able to return back to the forest. Amma had named her Padmini. She and Manoj uncle went first to see Padmini. Soon they came back and Manoj uncle told us Padmini's trunk is cut in many places. The wounds are deep. Then he took out a gun. Amma looked at it and had tears in her eyes. Manoj uncle explained, Ammaji, this won't kill Padmini. I have to stitch her wounds. I can do that only when she is asleep. The bullet in this gun will only make Padmini sleep for a few hours. So when Amma give the elephant a name. What is the name? Padmini. Padmini is the name that given to that elephant by Amma. Soon grandmother and Dr. Manoj uncle went to see Padmini at first. When they came back, uncle told that Padmini Padmini got wound all over her trunk and the wound is very deep. So he took out a gun. When Amma saw that gun, tears started to falling down from her eyes. That means Amma started to cry. When Manoj uncle saw that, he explained, told something in a simple way, like Ammaji, we are not going to kill Padmini. We have to stitch the wound of elephant's trunk. He can only do when the elephant is sleeping. So this bullet will help Padmini to sleep for a few hours. So students, we are stopping here. I hope you have understood what we have discussed today. Read the chapter once again and we will meet in our classroom.